Hello and welcome to another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today I'm very happy for you to join me in unboxing this Seiko diver. This one here was loaned to me by Eric and his team at our boutique. Eric, I really need to thank you for your generosity and your kindness in agreeing to loan to me these watches for doing these video reviews. So I'm going to open up the retail box here, and this is pretty standard Seiko fare. You get the booklet, the wrapping paper, and let's see what we've got. Take a look at this one here. I've got the Seiko Pro Specs PADI edition of the Seiko Turtle. PADI edition. PADI stands for Professional Diving something, alright? Professional Diving Association or something like that. I apologize to the diving enthusiasts out there. I'm not a diver at all. In fact, I can hardly swim. So here you go. Really handsome looking watch, very sporty looking with all the Pepsi color scheme. And over here, I think it is not your usual Pepsi. I think the dial has a sunburst. It's got a sunburst to it. Very interesting looking. And you've got a Pepsi bezel. I believe the rest of the watch is the pretty standard, the usual standard Seiko stuff. So I may be able to do a bracelet swap as I review the watch. So let's go on and take a look at the specs, or rather the product literature. So here is the reference number, SBDY017, and all these things, they are printed in Japanese. 61,000 yen. The kanji word here, it says shui. It means tax. Right, so if you were to buy this, the retail price is such 61,000 yen. I don't know about the conversion, but typically you would get this in Singapore for, I think, under $600. This is the PADI edition. Of course, it's got that really nice sunburst blue effect on the dial, and they've also got this two-tone colored handset. So I'm gonna just separate out the hour and the minute hand so you can see that you've got different colors for the hour and minute hands. Very handsome. And I also like the fact that it's got the Kanji Day Wheel. This kanji character, I think, if I'm not wrong, it is Monday. Is it Monday? I think it's Monday. Oh, yeah, it's Monday. So this is Tuesday, which means fire, I think, translated to Chinese. Wo. And shui is water. So let's take a look at the PADI logo that sits at 6 o'clock. So there you have it, the PADI logo, to denote that this is a special edition. So they've got plenty of PADI edition divers. They've got mini turtles, samurai, sumo, tuna. Almost every Seiko watch model has a PADI edition, and this one here is no different. Specs wise, still pretty standard. Seiko SRP series turtle. I'm going to do a comparison between these two and my SRP 773. Stay tuned for the full review as well as the comparison. Otherwise, this is a handsome looking watch. Once again, thank you, a big thank you to our boutique for graciously loaning this watch to me. Thank you very much. I'll see you for the full review.